The TMG Industrial GWC4 Kohler-powered wood chipper offers incredible performance for the property owner maintaining their land. The GWC4 is powered by a reliable 7-horsepower Kohler Command Pro Series engine built with an aluminum head and crankcase and Oil Sentry automatic low-oil shutdown. The dual belt drive system is mated to 6-inch wide cutting blades, making quick work of branches up to 4 inches in diameter. The GWC4 is designed with a hinge hopper for easy drum access and an adjustable discharge chute. This product is backed with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, customer support, and spare parts. Headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia, we are proud to provide free shipping to most locations in Canada and the USA Lower 48. TMG Industrial, here to help you get work done.